First, for points on the axis. See, here you consider the two charges. The two charges, plus q, minus q, plus q. The distance between the two charges are 2d, or center of the charges O. So here A, here A. So totally 2a. Now we consider the same axis, one point, P point. So that is same line. So this is a plus q, electric field moving this direction, E1. So opposite side E2, because of plus side electric field away from the plus, then minus side towards, so opposite direction. Now this is a P point. From the P point to center of the dipole, it's a R. Now this is AA or total 2A. Total 2A. Okay. Now how much amount of electric field producing in this point? That is our question. So now see, first you consider E plus Q, then next minus Q. First find the electric field from plus Q to point P. So according to the formula, E minus, first you consider E minus Q. E minus general formula, electric field what? Electric field general formula, E is equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught, general formula R square. It's just like Coulomb's law. So here same E minus Q. E minus Q means from here to here, from this distance. Now you see Q by, this is a minus Q, so minus Q by 4 pi epsilon naught, from here to here, P to Q. How much distance you see? Up to here R. Up to here R. So here A. This distance A. So R plus A. So we can write R plus A. But in our formula it's square. So R square. That is a square formula. That's all. So here distance is from Q to P value R. Here up to here R. Then here A distance. So R plus A. Total value R plus A. According to formula, square will come. So formula R square. That is R plus A whole square. Like that, E plus Q want to find. See, E plus Q. So A plus Q now up to here to here. Here to here want to find the distance. Here to here. Here to here. See, this plus Q means no need to put plus Q by 4 pi epsilon naught. See, up to here distance. Same value 4 pi epsilon naught distance from here to here. But up to here R. But we want plus Q to P. So A minus. This value you have to minus, then you will get distance between plus Q to P. So it nothing but R minus A whole square. That's all. Very simple. Now you call it the total field. E is equal to E plus Q plus minus EQ. EQ. That's all. Because of minus. That's all. So minus EQ, directly you put E plus E minus Q. Then you substitute the value. E is equal to E plus value. E plus value what? Q by 4 pi epsilon naught R minus A whole square. So Q minus Q value minus. So plus into minus, minus Q by 4 pi epsilon naught R plus A whole square. R minus A whole square, R plus K. Now you see E is equal to LCM, which will take common. Q by 4 pi epsilon naught take common. Q by 4 pi epsilon naught take common. Now you see Q by. So inside what? Inside what is that? 1 by R minus A whole square minus or minus 1 by R plus A whole square. So now this is a minus, this is a minus. Now you see Q by 4 pi epsilon naught, take LCM, R minus A into R plus A. That is A minus B into A plus B formula. So R square minus A square. This square is common. So put square. That's all. A minus B whole square formula. a minus b into a plus b like that. So a square minus b square like that, r minus a into r plus a, r square minus a square, here whole square formula. Now cross multiply. So what? R plus a whole square minus r minus a whole square. That's all. So q by 4 pi epsilon naught, here r square minus a square whole square. So a plus b whole square formula, actually no need to explain, directly write 4ra, but you see how it will come. R plus a plus b whole square formula, r square plus 2rk plus b square like that. So minus what will come? R square minus 2ra plus a square, a minus b whole square formula. So here a square is very very small, so neglected a square. So q by 4 pi epsilon naught r square, then whole power square. Basically a square is neglected because a very small distance, so neglected. So here see r square plus 2ra plus a square, minus you multiply inside, so minus r square plus 2ra minus a square. Now you see minus a square plus a square cancel, plus r square minus r square cancel, 2ra plus 2ra, so it's nothing but q by 4 pi epsilon naught r power 4 square into square 4 to 4 ra. Now you see very simple, q by 4 pi epsilon naught 4 we can write 2 into 2 ra divided by r power 4, 1 r, here 1 r cancel, cube. So 2qa, already you know that dipole moment is equal to 2qa, already you know that one, p is nothing but 2qa. So here 2qa, so we can write what? P by 4 pi epsilon naught, 1 r is remaining, so we put 1 r, so r cube. So this is the electric field at axial point.